Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping in Valorant. So this is a really easy fix, so try it and let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you or not. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to be on your desktop, and on the top right, bottom right, you should see your network. So you need to right click on it, and then you need to press open network and internet settings. And once you're here, then you need to look for change adapter options, press on that, and then you will see your internet connection here. So select one and then right click on the one that you want to use, go to properties, and then you need to select internet protocol version 4, and once selected, then you need to go to properties, and here you need to change DNS settings. So you need to use this one, use the following DNS server addresses, and you need to, basically the best working for me is this public server 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS servers is 8.8.4.4, and then press OK and close, and basically it should fix high ping in Valorant. And also try different public DNS servers here. So as you can see here, there is a website. I use this one, Google primary 8.8.8 with secondary this one, and look what is best for you on this website. You can try this one, you can try this one, and then check if you experience high ping problems in Valorant. Right, so that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.